Welcome to DG Reman Solution, developed by Tech Mahindra. Once an engine arrives in our service center, we start from recording all the data in our system. The Reman process begins with digital identification. The operator scans the barcode and the system instantly captures and validates the serial number, linking the asset to its complete digital history, photographs, and OEM-provided check sheets. Job creation. Inside Job Manager, we configure the job by assigning delivery date, production priorities, resource availability, and compliance controls, ensuring the process follows a defined and auditable structure. Intelligent routing. Flexible routing enables the system to automatically map the most efficient work centers based on capability, load, and machine availability. Once routing is confirmed, DG Reman generates a unique job number to anchor end-to-end traceability. 055 Advanced Scheduling. All planned jobs appear on the DG Reman schedule board. With built-in planning and scheduling intelligence, DG Reman dynamically sequences work, balances capacity, and optimizes throughput. Execution begins. Shop floor execution starts at the control panel. The receive operation includes automated check sheets, embedded validations, and digital work instructions to ensure data integrity from the first touchpoint. Material loading and traceability. On selecting record production, the system opens the loading interface. Raw materials are scanned using mobile devices or barcode scanners, triggering automated inventory movements to the assigned work center. Digital production. Logging. Each production event is digitally recorded, capturing operator actions, timestamps, material usage, and compliance data in real time. Controlled disassembly. During disassembly, components are removed in a controlled, stepwise manner, with each part logged and validated against the digital job record. BOM-driven component replacement. Component replacement utilizes the engineered bill of materials. Technicians can also apply BOM substitution logic to select approved alternate components when primary parts are unavailable, ensuring operational continuity. All inspection results are recorded and linked to the job's digital traceability record. Ready for dispatch. Once approved, the engine moves to packaging and shipment. With digital traceability from barcode scan to final inspection, DG Reman ensures a robust, transparent, and fully connected Reman workflow. Tech Mahindra, powering intelligent, data-driven manufacturing transformation.